Make sure when you visit this page, you get on the early bird list. Here it is right here, because we are just getting started. This thing is going to get better and better. I assure you, we're going to keep on rocking it. And I'm going to roll out some incredible stuff. But first of all, I wanted to show you the OnClick call to actions feature. Let's get started. All right, we are back. Right now in this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to add a call to action on any OnClick function that you have on your website. For example, you have a hyperlink or an image on your website. I'm just going to show you live how this works and plays out. Here is a visual editor on my WordPress blog. So I'm going to type some text here. This feature is really cool, and if you click here, you can read all about it. Okay, so you're typing something on your website and you want to do a click here, something that stands out so people will click on it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the insert link, and I'm just going to add a number sign. Okay, just add a number sign, and all that does, it makes it clickable. And you'll see that when you go on the back, this is the HTML. All it is an A reference. That's all it is right there. Now I want you to go to all the campaigns of your CTA monster, and I'm going to pick one of these here, for example this one right here, and I'm just going to edit it. This is one of the templates, and I'm going to edit that, and that's going to be a pop-up, sure, and it is a two-step, this one here. Now I'm going to go to the display options, and you'll see here that right now it is on the exit, but I'm going to deselect that. And I'm going to come here where it says show pop-up when click. Now you can have multiple things here, but it says show pop-up when click. I'm going to click on that, and it says CSS selector. Here you can add multiple IDs and classes separated by a comma. I'll show you how this works. So I go back to here, and all I need to do, just add a class, class equals, and then a quotation mark, and I'm going to name it anything that I want. For example, call to action 1. That's it. And then end with a quotation mark. There. So I've created a class, and I've given it the ID CTA1. Okay. So I'm going to simply just save the changes. And now I'm going to go back to CTA Monster, and I'm going to put in the CTA selector, it says right here, if you're adding a class, make sure you put the period in front of it. So it's going to be period CTA1. Okay, there's right there. And I'll simply just save the changes. And now if I visit this page, and it says this is a really cool feature, and if you click here, I'll click there, and you see there's the call to action. See that? And if I click here, it takes me to an opt-in form. So it's a two-step as well. Very, very powerful. I'll show you how you can also add images. I'm just going to come back here, and I will add a media. And when you do that, I've already uploaded an image. I'll click on that there. I'll click on that, and it inserts it into the page. I'm going to come here, and I'm going to click on this image, and I'm going to, once again, make it clickable, this image, and I'm just going to put a number sign there, just like that. Okay? And now you can see here that if I go to the text, the HTML portion, here's the image right here, and it already has a class, and the class is, the alignment is none. I can center that if I want. It has a full size of the image. But also WordPress, when you use the upload media feature, it already creates a class ID. Okay, so I can take that class ID, I can rename it. I can put in, for example, I can delete this, and I can put in CTA2 or what have you, or I can use this ID right there. Okay, and that's exactly what I'll do. I'll use that ID right there. I'll copy that, and I'll put a comma, and I'll put a period, and I'll put that in there right there. Okay, so it's got two of them now. So I will just simply save the changes, and now I will refresh my page. And now if I click on this video, see that? Isn't that cool? Very, very powerful. So that's how you can do OnClick call to actions with any type of image or any type of link.